Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you raise to wake. Guys, raise to wake guys, you want to off this setting, so guys you can off. In this video guys, I will tell you guys how can you off raise to wake in realme phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you're watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting to off raise to wake. Then guys you will have to come on home screen, lock screen guys. This home screen, lock screen guys, click here. Then friends click on raise to wake. You want to off, then guys off here from this setting. So you can see raise to wake is off. Then you will take your phone, it will not on friends. So I hope friends you have understood how to off raise to wake setting in realme phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like or subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.